What I like being in this program is that hindi siya yung typical na mga training, like a classroom learning session na you will just sit and listen. Kailangan mo mag-participate and every week merong bago. Mana-challenge ka talaga, pero masaya. Kasi kung hilig mo talaga yung voice over or voice acting, mag-i-enjoy ka talaga sa mga ipapagawa nila. Every week, punong-puno ng learning. As in, talagang you get more than what you paid for. Kasi yung mga trainers, they are really passionate about what they are doing. Yung alam mong pinaghandaan talaga nila yung mga topics every week. Pero, siguro, the right term is not pinaghandaan. It's because they know their craft very well. And they have the heart for it. Very professional. You will know that they are the pillars of this voice acting industry, I must say. The challenges lang actually is the assignments. Sobrang dami talaga. Pero kailangan mo lang talaga enjoy yung process. Be creative so you will enjoy every skill builder exercise na ipapagawa nila. Ako, dahil dito natuto talaga ako gumamit ng mga video, audio editing app, and then ito, vlogging, blogging. Natuto rin ako gumawa ng sarili kong website, na lahat yon hindi ko naman ginagawa dati. Not to mention also the voices. Yung mga dubbing, voice commercials, ayun, ang saya lang talaga gawin. At dahil sa mga assignments na yon, nahasa yung pagsasalita ko. So, lumabas yung mga creative juices na hindi mo ine-expect, na mai-imagine mong magagawa mo. Yun. And then, but the whole program, I must say, sobrang nag-enjoy talaga ako. Who would have thought that there is a program like this, tapos through online lang siya. So, hindi mo kailangang bumiyahe para mag-training. Basta overall experience, if I will rate it from 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, I will give it a 9. So, there will always be a room for improvement para laging may inaabangan na bago yung mga susunod na generations na mag-join. So, honestly, I would encourage you all to join this program. It will help you a lot in your growth as a person and the whole aspect of your well-being. Why I said that? Because it really allows you to express yourself, to be yourself, to show your creative juices. So, to all CVAP organizers, let me have this opportunity to congratulate you. Thank you for helping us become a far better, more version of ourselves. We really owe a lot of these learnings from you. And wherever